Hey, Brian Thomas here. This is just an interesting video. We're going to go ahead and cut up something I've never cut up before. This is a birch tree. I've never cut birch before. Looking at this log, yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking 6x6. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and use a chainsaw and cut this into 2 log sections, roughly 9-ish foot long. When we do that real quick, the chainsaw, I'll roll one piece off, kind of rearrange it, and we'll cut 2 6x6s out of birch. Never cut it before. I know that they make plywood and stuff out of it, and it's a nice soft wood, if you will. It's technically a hardwood, but it's a soft wood that people do a lot of carving. They do a lot of the burning stuff with. But we're gonna give it a go, see if we can make some nice 6x6 posts that I can use in a upcoming build addition that we're adding on downstairs. Stay tuned. that was rather quick and painless. Let's see what we got here. So I did cut one 1-inch board, just because I wanted to see what it looked like. Again, new wood, very pretty. It's a pretty heavy log too. I think it's just because it's holding a lot of moisture. Smells different. Doesn't have that much of a smell to it. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just a wood smell. There you go. I don't know the characteristics of this wood very much. I don't know if it likes to move around a lot. All I know is it's a light colored wood, and it's got a neat little heart section there, and it's soft. But I think I've got a beautiful place for this in the basement, and we'll see what she does. That's a true 6x6. I actually cut it 6 1/16 by 6 1/16 to allow for me to sand down a little bit and everything. I got a little bit of live edge I got to take off there. But yeah, there you go. I'll cut up the other one later. Quick little video just to show the sawmill. And hopefully my cuts as I was bringing the saw head forward, I'm sure they were like right there in your face, but yeah. Oh, and I'm happy on the both sides. I pretty much got the pith close to center as possible. So there's a pith right there. A little bit off, not too far, but it's, you know, center being right there. So I'm within an inch and a quarter of being center. Happy with that. All right. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you around. Thanks.